Hello friends, welcome to back my YouTube channel Fashion World. How are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well today. I have many prayers for you. May Allah give you happiness and success. So friends, I am showing you our design are so beautiful crochet knitting handmade crochet handbag ideas 2022. So friends, in this video showing the crochet knitting handmade handbags ideas and images 2022. Beautiful crocheted handbag purse with beautiful ideas, images, crochet designs. Free collection pattern ideas 2022. So friends, in this video, trending ideas, handbags, crochet knitting free video tutorial. How is make this crochet handbag images 2022. So guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification of all my videos and never miss my video and any collection of my channel. So friends, if you like this video, hit the like button and share with all friends, family members and all social media accounts. So guys, in this video, trending ideas, beautiful crochet knitting handmade bags. So guys, don't forget to tell me in the comment section to tell me how was the video. So guys, we will be right back with a new trendy fashion, new crochet knitting handmade crochet designs ideas. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy my video. So guys, please visit my channel Fashion World. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I love it. Goodbye. Take care. Bye bye.